Have you been asking God for financial breakthrough? Have you been asking God for favor? Have you been asking God for miracle? Have you been asking God for open doors? This particular recipe is for you. All you need to do is to relax and don't touch that dime. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Mata Spiritual TV. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Please turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos to your friends, to your well-wishers, to your families. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, my day one gang, you know who you are. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and God bless you. I say, as the sun has risen from the east to the west, to the north, to the south, and nothing could stop the sun from rising, nothing would stop you from making it before the end of this year, and so shall it be. Today's power part information. Have you been asking God for breakthrough? Have you been asking God for favor? Have you been asking God for miracle? Have you been asking God for open doors? This message is for you. All you need to do for me is to get me these natural materials, natural eatable ingredients. And number one ingredient that we are going to use in order to ask the universe for favor, in order to ask God in heaven for financial breakthrough, in order to ask God in heaven for open doors. Number one item that we are going to be needing is your rice. Yes. Let me tell you something about rice. Rice is essential commodity. Rice is a symbol of good life. Rice is a symbol of abundance. Rice is a symbol of wealth. Rice is a symbol of success. Rice is a symbol of good health. That is why in every occasion, in every party we are doing, rice is number one material, is number one agenda, because rice possesses a lot of spiritual energies, a lot of spiritual vibration, a lot of spiritual power in order to break the bars, in order to break the stitch of our prosperity, of our finances. And we are going to possess the spiritual energy of rice, asking the universe, asking God in heaven, asking our fathers, ancestors, and deities for them to come and manifest the power of abundance, the power of success, the power of good life, the power of good health that rice possesses. We are going to call the universe for them to come in and accept our request and our proposal, and for God in heaven to see us through in everything we need, anything that we have been asking him. After this recipe, my God is going to grant your proposal. So get me rice that possesses the power of abundance. Number two items that we are going to be needing is your sea salt. Sea salt. We all know about salt. Salt is a cleansing agent. Salt has the power to cleanse, to sanctify, to drive away negative energy. Salt cleanses the mind, the body, spiritually and physically. Yes, salt. Without salt in any food, that food is tasteless. So we are going to be using the spiritual energy of salt. And I am recommending sea salt on this particular recipe. You are going to be doing this recipe with sea salt. All we need is just these two items, rice and sea salt. So you are going to be counting 21 pieces of sea salt. Then another item that you will be needing is your white sheet of paper where you will write your proposal. If you have been asking God for financial breakthrough, write it on this paper. If you have been asking God for financial favor, write it on this paper. If you have been asking God for miracle, write it on this paper. If you have been asking God for open doors, write it on this paper. After writing it on this paper, whatsoever your proposal, whatsoever your request is, write it on this paper. And remember, you are going to count 21 pieces seed of sea salt and enough of your rice that possesses the power of abundance. Yes. Before I tell you how to go about this, on how you can do this, for God in heaven to grant your request, for God to open the ways of favor, the way of blessing, the way of breakthrough, for God to elevate your financial doors, all you need to do is to relax. Don't touch that dime. Let me advertise my product small, because it is called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual remedies, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages that will better your life. And also we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been from one testimony to the other. I can beat up my chest and tell you that my products are tested and trusted. You can ask my fans, those of you who are close to me. We have the Hand Me Not soap. Hand Me Not soap. That is number one soap we have in stock. If you are using this soap to take your bath, no man born of a woman, no woman created by God will harm you. We also have the curse-breaking soap. In case you are under a curse, you are under manipulation of any curse of any man or any woman, when you are using this soap to bathe, no matter the utterances, no matter the enchantment, no matter the incantation of any man or any woman, this soap will destroy it. We have the road opening soap. In case there is blockages in your road, no matter what you do, you suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant. When you are using this soap to take your bath, your road will be opening. That is for sure. It is tested and trusted. We have the back to sender soap. In case they have been throwing an arrow, they have been attacking you in the daytime and at night, they have been sending evil manipulation, evil spirit on your life, in your family, in your children's life, in your body, we have the back to center soap. As long as you are using this soap, every evil aura, every evil utterances, every evil enchantment, every evil attack will return back to sender to the he or she that sent it. We have the spiritual cleansing back detours. If things has not been working for you, if you have been doing some spiritual tips, you have been going from places to places doing spiritual works and they are not working for you, we have the spiritual cleansing back detours. We have the Equal Plus detours, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. No matter how many years you have suffered from moving object, it's moving all over your body, it's moving from your head to your toes, it's moving, it's crawling all over your body. You are losing strength. When you go to the hospital, when you go to the physician, the doctors diagnose it nothing. They will tell you they see nothing wrong with you, but you are dying slowly. You are losing your strength. You are losing your strength. You are losing your money. You are losing your finances. Blockages everywhere. Something is crawling all over your body. No matter how many years that moving object has lasted, I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equal Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison moving object remover. All you need to do is to chat me on WhatsApp or call me on my phone number +234 7088136610. That is my number. Let us discuss on modalities on how I am going to get my product to you. I ship all over the world, Europe, Asia, South America, America. Anywhere you are, within a twinkle of an eye, if you place an order, I ship through DHL, EMS, and FedEx. Your order will get to you. We also have the Favour soup. We have the Love and Attraction soup. We have the 99 Demon Manipulation Oil Destroyer. And we also have the Stop Evil Oil. We have the Protection Bracelets, Attraction Bracelets, and so on and so forth. So each and every of my product that you need, don't hesitate to contact me, as I am open to communication. God bless you. Have you been believing God for financial breakthrough? Have you been believing God for miracle? Have you been believing God for favor? Have you been believing God for open doors? All you need to do for me is to get your rice that has possessed the abundance, the power of abundance, the power of prosperity, the power of love, the power of success. Get me rice and 21 pieces of sea salt. Look at how this goes. After writing your proposal, that which you want God to do for you, you get me something like this, a leather bag. Now, you take your rice and pour inside of the leather bag. You have to take enough rice in order to acquire the abundance and success and breakthrough. Then after that, put your request inside. Then add your sea salt, 21 pieces of sea salt. That is what you are going to add inside of this. 21 pieces. I don't need to count it. If you watch very well, you can see my sea salt there, and you can see my rice, and you can see my proposal. Then tie it up and shake it this way. Tie it up. When you tie it up like this, what are you going to do? You have to bury this into the earth. You look for a place in your compound. Dig a ground, dig the soil. After digging the soil, put this into the earth. Then you begin to speak and call God in heaven. I have been believing you to do this for me. Those that are inside this request, if you are believing God for financial breakthrough, pray for financial breakthrough. If you are believing God for open doors, pray for open doors. If you are believing God for miracles, pray for miracle. If you are believing God for contract, for customers to patronize you, whatsoever you are believing, whatsoever you have written on that request, pray over it and call the universe to come and fulfill their promise that they have made us that belongs to the earth, because the earth is of thy Lord and the fullness of therein. So bury this into the earth. And after that, because you put 21 pieces of salt, this is going to be on the earth for 21 days. And believe you me, before 21 days, my God will answer your request. The universe will answer your request. The earth will answer your request. And for those of you who are living in abroad, if you don't have anywhere to dig the soil, you can also pack the soil and add it into a container like this. Yes, then you can bury this inside it and cover it with a soil and use your cover to cover it. Keep it at a place for 21 days. Go and try this out. I believe your request, if you write several requests within 21 days, my God is going to do 3 for you. Go and try this out and come back with a great testimony on this channel. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Please, if you have never subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos to your friends and your well-wishers. And if there is anything you need me to do for you spiritually, don't hesitate to call me on my phone number +234 7088 1366 10. That is my phone number. Also, feel free to chat me on WhatsApp as I'm open to communication. God bless you. See you in my next video.